Hello everyone. I want to say hi today because I have news. Today it's my birthday. It's my birthday. And yes, in Joe Biden's America, you cannot fucking get a fucking paper crown of a Burger King. But what happens when you cannot get a paper crown? You make one out of the fucking paper bag, right? Remember, nobody shall steal my crown ever. Looks looks freaking amazing. Do you like my shirt? Goes great with the fucking crown. And do you notice my luscious titties over here? Vote for Pedro, everyone. Vote for Pedro. If you vote for me, I'll make your wildest dreams come true. I love that movie, by the way. So, so yeah, definitely 32 now. Very happy that here's to another year of glory, right? And you know, looking back at the past freaking years, flat out is the most hardcore year that ever happened in my life. I don't think that I ever mentioned it before, but a tree fell on my roof, and I needed to do like the whole fucking repairs and all that. But but things have worked out great. So this past year, I came to realize that a lot of people that I thought that were my friends weren't friends after all. They weren't real friends. So you know, it's live and learn, I guess. But anyway, 32 on the 4th of the 4th. I've always liked that day. It's kind of magical. I like the special enumeration there. 4th of the 4th, and interestingly, right in the middle of April, right? What the freak, right? But we had hail today. It hailed today. It was super cold. There's gotta be some mystical significance to that. So remember, run vote for Pedro. See you later.